and welcome to this session on types of scrapers and scraping operations. Scrapers of different types are used for different purposes. Let us now learn about types of scrapers and scraping operations.
Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to define parts of a hand scraper, define types of hand scrapers, hold properly the scraper while scraping, maintain good condition of scrapers. Hand scraping is the process of removing very small amount of metal from a precision surface and helps to remove the high spot points. Hand scrapers resemble hand files. A hand scraper is a single-edged tool used to scrape metal from any surface. Removable scraper blades are made of high-speed steel or tungsten carbide steel. A hand scraper consists of three parts: the scraper blade, the shaft, and the handle. The overall length of hand scrapers varies from 150 mm to 500 mm. One advantage of scraping is that the tool can be moved on heavier workpieces which cannot be moved. Two groups of scrapers are used: for scraping flat surfaces, for scraping curved surfaces. For scraping flat surfaces, flat scraper is used to scrape large flat surfaces. The cutting edge is 3 mm thick and is round like in a convex shape. Hook scraper is like a flat scraper, but its point is bent at an angle of 90 degrees. It is used for scraping where it is not convenient to use the flat scraper. Two or double handle scraper is used to scrape large flat surfaces and curved surfaces. Half round scraper is used to scrape bearing blocks. Three square or triangular scraper is used for scraping small diameter holes and deburring edges of accurate holes. Bull nose scrapers are similar to the nostrils of a bull. It is used for scraping large bearings. How to properly hold the scraper while scraping. For a flat scraper, the handle of the scraper is held and pushed by the right hand. Hold the right elbow out of the body while beginning the forward cutting stroke. After the cutting stroke, bring the elbow into the body. The blade is guided and pressed down by the left hand. Grasp the blade with the root of the little finger above the blade and about 40 mm to 50 mm from the cutting edge. Curl the little finger and second finger lightly around the blade. The first finger lies loosely around the blade and thumb lies on top of the blade and at a right angle to it. The scraper is held at an angle about 30 degrees to the surface for average hardness metals. The angle increases for harder and decreases for softer metals. After scraping in one direction and testing on the surface plate, change the direction of scraping by 90 degrees. Care and maintenance of scrapers. Scrapers must be sharp and kept with good condition to handle. Cover the cutting edge with rubber or leather sheath. After use, apply grease on the cutting edge to avoid corroding. The scraper should not fall down from the bench. Don't mix it with other tools.
To recap, we have learnt hand scraping, parts of hand scraper, types of scrapers and their uses, how to properly hold the scrapers while scraping, care and maintenance of scrapers. So, that's all about types of scrapers and scraping operations. Hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. See you in the next session.